unboxing, and this is Spiderman unboxing because we got this from our grandmother and it's super cool. So this is the design. Now you open, as you can see, there are the very cool golden characters and toys. Now you open.
What's that? Roblox
Icon Gold Collector Set.
collector set. Nitya, your one?
It's a Spiderman mask that also turns on the light.
Show me.
Pick up the mask.
The mask is here.
Oh, so nice.
You can even change the thing to normal. Then when you first, it will start a light. Then for a few seconds, the thing will off.
Okay.
Just wait.
You want to take? You want to open up your thing?
Yeah, off, open all the time.
Open up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got the thing.
Okay, show me. Wow. Is it cool?
Yeah,
Can you
there's a
see?
red one.
Oh.
There's a this.
The light go off already. Oh. Nice.
Like you need battery to go.
Oh, this one got battery.
Now I'm gonna take mine now. This one you need to go and do battery. It's still the same now. There's all the code. There's 15th anniversary.
Okay, then what must say?
Okay. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe and like the video.
Titi.
To the JR Brothers. Or bros, I don't know.